Hey there, time travelers! Welcome back to Tech Timeline, the channel where we journey through the greatest inventions that shaped our world. Have you ever wondered how humans first learned to measure time precisely, not with sundials or water clocks, but with the power of gears and gravity? Today, we are winding back the clock to explore the fascinating development of the mechanical clock, a machine that changed how we live, work, and even think about time itself. So, if you're ready to tick into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never lose track of time with us again. Long before the hum of gears, ancient civilizations tried everything to capture time, laying the groundwork for future advancements. The Egyptians used sundials around 1500 BCE, dividing the day into 12 hours based on shadow lengths, with markings for seasonal adjustments. By 1400 BCE, portable sundials emerged, offering a more personal way to track time, though still reliant on sunlight. The Greeks and Romans improved things with water clocks, also called clepsydras, which used dripping water to measure short intervals. These water clocks, originating in Babylon around 1600 BCE, could measure intervals up to 24 hours, but they suffered from temperature-induced viscosity changes. This meant they could lose up to 30 minutes daily in cold weather, making them unreliable for precise measurements. Candle clocks and incense clocks were also used in China and Europe, but these methods remained imprecise, highlighting the universal challenge of accurate timekeeping. By the end of the 13th century, societies were expanding, trade routes were booming, and monasteries needed precise timing for their 7 daily offices. Humanity was ready for something new, a clock that could run on its own, independent of sunlight or water flow. The first mechanical clocks began appearing in European monasteries around 1280 to 1300 CE in places like England, France, and Italy. The earliest verifiable mechanical clock was installed in Milan in 1336, marking a significant milestone. Monastic turret clocks, like those at Dunstable Priory in 1283 and Rouen Cathedral in the 1300s, were among the pioneers. Unlike water or sun clocks, these marvels used weights, gears, and an escapement mechanism, the true heart of mechanical timekeeping. The Virgin Foliot escapement, possibly invented by European monks, was revolutionary. It regulated gear movement with a vertical rod and horizontal bar, achieving an accuracy of about 15 to 30 minutes per day. One of the earliest known examples is the clock of Salisbury Cathedral in England, built around 1386, which still ticks today after centuries of restoration. This 3-tone clock, originally striking a single bell, uses a verge escapement with an iron frame, a testament to medieval engineering. These early tower clocks didn't even have faces. They struck bells to mark hours, making time public and ringing through cities. By the 14th century, over 100 public clocks existed in Europe, promoting civic time and influencing the organization of early factories. As the centuries passed, clockmaking evolved into an art form driven by continuous innovation. By the 15th century, spring-driven clocks were invented by Peter Henley around 1510, making timepieces smaller and portable. This innovation gave birth to clock watches by the 1540s and pocket watches in the 16th century, though early springs caused uneven torque, limiting accuracy. Then came Christian Huygens in 1656, a Dutch scientist who introduced the pendulum clock commissioned by King Louis XIV. Using a 39-inch pendulum swinging every second, it dramatically improved accuracy from several minutes off per day to less than 10 seconds. Huygens' 1673 balance spring for watches further miniaturized timepieces, and by 1675, Robert Hooke's English anchor escapement doubled accuracy. This precision transformed navigation, science, and daily life, allowing ships to chart longitude accurately for the first time. The mechanical clock did more than just keep time, it fundamentally changed civilization. It shaped the Industrial Revolution, organizing work hours and inspiring the mechanical engineering behind countless inventions. Even today, the same principles of escapement and precision drive our quartz and atomic clocks, the backbone of GPS, satellites, and the Internet. Modern quartz clocks achieve 1 second per month accuracy, while atomic clocks lose only 1 second per 300 million years, essential for GPS positioning within 5 meters. So, the next time you glance at your watch, remember, it's not just a gadget, it's a legacy ticking for over 700 years. Thanks for watching this journey through time with Tech Timeline. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your curious friends, and hit subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep inventing, and remember, every second counts.